Sir, can I tell you something?
Yes, of course. What happened?
Sir, whenever I try to speak English, my friends laugh at me. They smile, whisper to each other, and I feel so small. I don't know what to do. I try to speak, but I can't.
Hmm, I understand. You feel sad because people laugh when you speak English, right?
Yes, sir. I feel like my English is very weak. Sometimes I want to speak, but my mind goes blank. I start a sentence and then stop. Everyone looks at me. I feel so embarrassed.
It's okay. Don't worry. Making mistakes is part of learning. Every learner makes mistakes, even native speakers. Mistakes are not failures, they are opportunities to improve.
But, sir, I feel nervous. My hands shake. My heart beats fast. I try to speak fast like others, but then I mess up.
That's normal. You don't need to speak fast. Clear and slow English is always better than fast and wrong English. Speak at your own pace. Step by step, you will improve.
Really, sir?
Yes, remember, language learning is not a race, it's a journey. And you are already taking the first steps by trying to speak. That's brave.
Sir, I really want to speak well, but sometimes I feel maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe I'll never be able to speak English properly.
Don't say that. You are speaking right now. You are telling me about your feelings, and I understand you perfectly. That proves you can speak. You just need more practice and confidence.
But, sir, my friends laugh. It makes me stop speaking. I feel shy. I don't know what to say next.
That's completely normal. Everyone feels nervous when people laugh. The key is, don't let fear stop you. Take a deep breath, smile, and speak slowly. Clear English is better than fast English. Focus on communicating, not on being perfect.
Okay, I will try, sir.
Good. Let's start practicing. First, we'll talk about your daily routine using simple sentences. This is the easiest way to begin.
Okay, sir.
Listen to me. I wake up at 7. That's simple present tense. It tells about your daily habit. Now you try.
I wake up at 7.
Excellent. Say it slowly.
I wake up at 7.
Perfect. You see? That's already correct English. Simple, clear, and correct.
Wow, really, sir?
Yes. And now let's add more actions. After you wake up, what do?
I brush my teeth.
Good. Say, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Excellent. Now say both sentences together.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth.
Perfect. That's a full start. You are speaking clearly. You see, step by step, it becomes easy.
I feel happy, sir. I didn't know I could say 2 sentences like this.
Yes, you can. And now we'll continue with the rest of your morning routine. We will practice slowly and carefully. Good. Now, after brushing your teeth, what do you do next?
I wash my face.
Excellent. And after that?
I take a shower.
Very good. Now let's join these actions. I wash my face and take a shower.
I wash my face and take a shower.
Perfect. That sounds smooth. Always speak slowly and clearly.
Okay, sir.
Now, after your shower, what do you do?
I eat breakfast.
Nice. And what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I drink milk.
Excellent. Now try using 2 sentences. I eat eggs and bread. I drink milk.
I eat eggs and bread. I drink milk.
Perfect. You are already using simple present tense correctly.
Wow, sir, I feel I can speak English a little now.
Yes. And after breakfast, what do you do?
I go to school.
Good. You can also say, I go to school at 8.
I go to school at 8.
Perfect. And at school, what do you do?
I study English. I read books. I write in my notebook. I talk to my friends.
Excellent. Now, let's make a full paragraph of your morning routine. Listen carefully first. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school at 8. I study English. I read books. I write in my notebook. I talk to my friends. Now you repeat after me.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school at 8. I study English. I read books. I write in my notebook. I talk to my friends.
Perfect. You just spoke a long paragraph in English. See how clearly you can speak when you take it step by step?
Sir, I feel proud. I didn't know I could speak so many sentences at once.
Yes, you can. And now let's add a few more details. After school, what do you do?
I come home. I eat lunch.
Very good. And after lunch?
I rest. I watch TV.
Excellent. You can also say, I take a rest and watch TV.
I take a rest and watch TV.
Perfect. Now, in the evening, what do you do?
I do my homework. I help my mother.
Wonderful. You are using simple present tense correctly every time.
I feel happy, sir. I am speaking English without stopping.
That's excellent. You are improving fast. Keep practicing your daily routine every day, morning, afternoon, evening, step by step.
Yes, sir. I will practice every day.
Good. And remember, mistakes are normal. If you forget a word, use a simple word instead. Speak slowly. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Yes, sir. I understand now.
Perfect. Tomorrow, we will continue and practice your full daily routine from morning to night. You will see how easy it becomes when you practice daily.
Sir, sometimes I feel scared to speak English. My mind goes blank. I forget words. I try to start a sentence, then stop. My friends laugh. I feel so small.
It's okay. Every learner feels this way. Even native speakers forget words sometimes. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are part of learning.
But, sir, when I try to speak, my hands shake. I feel nervous. I want to speak fast like others, but I mess up.
That's normal. Don't try to copy others. Speak at your own pace. Clear, slow English is better than fast English with mistakes. Step by step, you will improve.
Sir, I feel maybe I am not good enough. Maybe I will never speak English properly.
No, don't say that. You are speaking English now. You are telling me your feelings. That proves you can speak. You just need practice and confidence.
But people laugh. It makes me stop speaking.
Yes, some people may laugh, but you are learning something valuable. One day, they will stop laughing and start listening to you. Confidence comes from practice,
Sir, how can I become confident?
step by step. Start with short sentences. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school.
Perfect. See, you already speak correctly. Speak slowly, clearly, and repeat every day. That builds confidence.
I will, sir. I want to speak English without fear.
Excellent. Also, listen to simple English videos or songs. Repeat the sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is to communicate, not to be perfect.
Thank you, sir. Your words make me feel strong.
That's my job. You are brave for speaking. Every day you practice, your English improves. Confidence grows with action, not just thinking.
I will practice every day. I will speak slowly and clearly.
Perfect. Now, let's say one important sentence together.
I speak English every day. I practice every day. I learn every day.
Repeat this every morning when you wake up. That's how your brain will remember.
I speak English every day. I practice every day. I learn every day.
Excellent. You are doing great. You feel better than yesterday, right?
Yes, sir. Yesterday I spoke in front of my friends and I felt shy. Today I feel stronger.
That's progress. Trying is the most important part. Mistakes are normal. Keep practicing and your confidence will grow every day.
Thank you, sir. I will keep trying and not be afraid.
That's the spirit. English is not about perfection. It's about communication, practice, and confidence. Keep smiling, keep speaking, keep learning. Now, let's practice talking about your family. Tell me about them in simple sentences.
I have 4 people in my family. My father works in an office. My mother cooks food. My brother studies in school. I study English.
Excellent. Now, let's add some details. What time does your father go to work?
He goes to work at 9 o'clock.
And what time does he come home?
He comes home at 6 o'clock.
Very good. What does your mother do in the afternoon?
She cooks lunch and cleans the house.
Perfect. You are using does and s endings correctly. That's a big improvement.
Thank you, sir. I remember your examples.
Exactly. Listen and repeat every day. This will make your tongue comfortable with English sounds. He works in an office. He reads books. She cooks dinner. She watches TV.
He works in an office. He reads books. She cooks dinner. She watches TV.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about likes and dislikes. You can say, I like apples. I don't like bananas.
I like chocolate. I don't like coffee. She likes music. He doesn't like noise.
Very good. Remember, when we use doesn't, we don't add s to the verb. For example, he doesn't like, not he doesn't likes.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Now, let's make a small conversation using questions and answers. Listen first. Do you like English? Yes, I do. What do you do every morning? I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. Where do you go after breakfast? I go to school. What do you do in the evening? I study English and listen to songs.
Do you like English? Yes, I do. What do you do every morning? I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. Where do you go after breakfast? I go to school. What do you do in the evening? I study English and listen to songs.
Perfect. Simple, short, clear. That's how real conversations happen.
I feel happy, sir. I can answer without stopping.
That's wonderful. Every small step makes you better. Keep using the simple present tense. It helps you talk about your life, your habits, your family, and your likes.
Yes, sir. I feel I am learning.
Exactly. Speak slowly, think in English, and start your morning with 10 simple sentences. I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to school, I study, I come home. I watch TV.
I will do that. I will speak every day and not be shy.
Very good. Keep going and your confidence will grow every day.
Thank you, sir. I like English now. It feels easy when you explain like this.
That's wonderful. Remember, speak English with joy and without fear. You are improving every minute you practice.
Yes, sir. I will speak English every day.
Perfect. That's the secret. Confidence plus practice equals fluent English. Keep smiling, keep speaking, keep learning.
I will, sir. Thank you for teaching me.
You're welcome. Always remember, speak slowly, use simple words, repeat every day, and don't be afraid of mistakes. Your English will naturally improve.
Yes, sir. I feel more confident now.
Excellent. Now let's repeat one last time together. I speak English every day. I practice every day. I learn every day. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study. I talk to my friends. I come home. I eat lunch. I take a rest. I do my homework. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10.
I speak English every day. I practice every day. I learn every day. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study. I talk to my friends. I come home. I eat lunch. I take a rest. I do my homework. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Perfect. This is your complete daily routine and conversation practice. Keep doing this every day, and soon speaking English will feel natural.
Yes, sir. I will practice every day. I will not be afraid anymore.
That's the spirit. Confidence grows every day with practice. You are already improving